Hello there, YouTube. It is your good old pal Nathan, man, back with ya. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how I made a simple yard tool rack. Alrighty, guys, here we go. How to make a simple yard tools rack. Alright, so you guys can see this is the spring, and I had a bunch of scrap wood sitting there, and it was really nice out, and I was just thinking, oh, I'd love to get outside, and thought what better way to start the spring than make a really cool yard tools rack. And you guys can see I've got the side of the shed, and the first thing I thought is I want the flexibility of being able to hang things wherever I want to, but it's hard because the side of the shed, you know, it's got studs in certain spots. So I took a piece of decking board, well, actually a couple pieces, and you can see I've just screwed them in along the sides there into each of the studs, and it gives me the freedom to put a screw in wherever I'd like. You guys can see I'm just building it to fit. You guys also, like my pickaxe, I drilled a little hole at the very bottom of it so that way it sits nicely in a screw. Let's show you, look at what you can do. Look at, oh man, that's awesome looking, eh? Honestly, like, this is the most simplest thing. Anyone can do this. More or less a reminder, you know, just go outside and just enjoy yourself. You know, no one likes having their tools all sitting in a big pile on the ground. So you guys can see I'm just kind of fitting it however I feel it should. And on the other side, because I still had more tools, I had this 2x4 that goes across, and that was helping for where I sealed up the lattice. So I put decking boards on both sides and screwed into them, but I had a bit of a problem because the screws I had were too big, so I had to get my angle grinder out. You'll see in a second. And I grind all of them off. Yeah, just be careful with that, you know. Don't want any slide getting in your eye there. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just something to help hold my tools. Yeah, you guys can see this is like I got a thatch rake, a garden rake down there. You guys can see I screwed a hole in each of them. Got a little garden tiller, a couple of them actually. Making them fit kind of however a couple. Well there guys, if you have enjoyed this video and learned something new, please leave a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, please subscribe for more guys and hit that bell. I hope that you all have an awesome day wherever you are in the world. I will see you all next week.